Welcome to this 138 villa exclusive community nestled in the heart of Dubai Hills Estate. This villa is home to one of the best locations inside Address Hillcrest. With a unique waterway lagoon view, you can actually see water from each floor of this property, which means from the dining space, living space, all the bedrooms, and including the roof terrace. As we step inside the property, you're presented with this double height ceiling and this modern staircase which features across all 4 floors throughout this property. The open plan layout flows seamlessly from the living, the dining, and the entertainment spaces. So now we're seeing what the ground floor has to offer. Let's go downstairs and check out one of the main highlights of this villa. So down here in the basement of the Address Hillcrest villas, you've got this open, versatile space. You've got to use your creativity and think about what you could use for this space down here. Some clients have already turned them into golf simulators, cinemas, Pilates studios. You name it, this space is extremely versatile. It's a 360-degree open space which goes around the entirety of the gross floor area of the property. Situated on the 2nd floor, we've got 4 double bedrooms, including a principal suite, which is a very generous size with a nice walk-through dresser and a large ensuite to match. To the principal suite at the other end of the villa, we've got 3 additional double bedrooms. Bedrooms 3 and 4 both share their bathroom, and then bedroom 5 here has its own ensuite bathroom. So not only do you have that amazing basement space downstairs, you also have this fantastic roof terrace here at the top of the villa to enjoy those UAE winter sunsets. If you would like to arrange a private viewing on this villa, then please contact me on those details below.